Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dimma tutorials. Today we have two questions on the board. One is from JAMB WAEC and one is from WASC. So today we're going to answer these questions, and these questions are on the O sound. Do you know how to identify the O sound in words? Now the O sound is pretty simple, okay, pretty simple, but the examiners always like to make it tricky. We are going to answer these questions, and I'm going to read from the book Mastery Oral English for WAEC and JAMB Candidates on how to answer questions on the O sound correctly. If you haven't gotten a copy of Mastery Oral English for WAEC and JAMB Candidates, please use the links. Use any of the links in the comment section to get a copy for yourself, or send me a WhatsApp message using the number on the screen, and the price is just 2,000 naira. All right, like I said earlier, the O sound is very simple, just that examiners like to make it tricky. So what I needed to do now is to write your answer to this one and this one in the comment section. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds, 5 seconds for the first question and 5 seconds for the second question. Okay, so write your answers in the comment section. The time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the second one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, which of the options did you choose in the first one? Okay, if you chose option A, you are right. Okay, the correct answer is option A, salt. Salt. Okay, how do I know that the other options are incorrect? Let's go to Mastering Oral English for WAEC and JAMB Candidates and read why option A is the correct answer and the other ones are incorrect. Okay, so I'm going to leave you to read the description of the O sound. Okay, let's go straight to the part that is important to us, important for these questions. Okay, we're going to go to the silent. Let's start from the spelling symbols. This sound is represented by letter L, like in love, lane, lie, light, belong. LL, like in yellow, fellow, tall, pillar. Okay, these are places where you find the L sound. But there are some words that contain the letter L not pronounced. How do you know when L is not pronounced in a word? Now let's read further. The silent letter L, the trap rules. In English, the letter L is often written but not pronounced in some words. Candidates should watch out for these common exam words before K. Examples: walk, talk, chalk, yoke. The L in these words before K is silent. So you don't say walk, you say walk, talk, chalk, yoke. All right. Before M, words that have L before M, where the L is silent, we have palm, sam, cam, bam, salmon, arms. Okay. Now we have before F or V, have, calf, have. These are some words that have L, where the L in them is silent. Please, you need to learn these words individually. These are words that are examiners' favorites. Okay, you always see examiners use them in questions, in WASC and JAMB questions. So please make sure you learn these words. Okay. Now we have in modal verbs, could, should, would. Could, should, would. In past modal auxiliary verbs, could, should, would. Could, should, would. All right. Now, film. We have film. All right. That's why I said you should learn the words individually. You notice that in film we have M, L before M, but the L here is not silent. Okay, the L in film is not silent. So looking for a word that contains the O sound. Now we have salt. Salt is not in the list that I just read, so, and is not before M, is not before K. The L is salt, is not before M, is not before K. So it contains the O sound. Walk. You can already see it here in Mastering Oral English for WAEC and JAMB Candidates that walk has the silent letter L. Okay, the L in walk is silent. Now Sam, you can also see there that the L in Sam is silent. Chalk, you can also see it that the L is also silent. All right, let's go to the second one for WASC. All right, we have luck. Luck. The L in luck is pronounced O. O, right? Okay, which of these words has the O sound in it? Let's start from the last option, should. Should is a past modal auxiliary. So, like we read in Mastering Oral English, that the L in should, would, could is silent. So, this is silent. BAM. Okay, we have L before M. Okay, and BAM is in the list. You should take note of it. Is silent. Walk. We already saw walk here. We already saw walk. So, and is in the book that L in walk is silent. Okay, and rally. Rally has the O sound. The L in rally is pronounced O. O, all right? So you can see how easy it is for you to answer questions correctly when you get a copy of Mastering Oral English for WAEC and JAMB candidates. If you're preparing for GCE, if you're preparing for WASC, if you're preparing for JAMB, make sure you get this book and start reading it. Okay, like I said earlier, the price is just 2,000 naira. Send me a WhatsApp message using the number on the screen, or you can purchase it from Amazon. You can purchase it from seller. All right, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again very soon in another video. Okay.